Welcome to Techarinos Coding. Today, we're going to learn how to code our first project. I'm really excited. So what we want to do is we want to make our sprite move in the shape of a square. Seems pretty simple. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying, oh, this project is really simple. I want to start making games, start making really complex programs. And to that, I answer you that even the simplest of programs is just as important as the most complex one. Without the basics, you can't make complex programs. Let's get started. And just as any program, you should always draw out what your sprite needs to do. So in our case, our sprite needs to move in the shape of a square. So it needs to go this way, needs to go this way, needs to go this way, and it needs to go this way. And let's say this is x, this is x, this is x, and this is x. And x is equal to 100. And x is a variable. It's not a real number. We'll go over variables in a little bit. And as you see, it's not just moving straight. It's also moving to the side using these turn points. And those are called angles. So this is what a square is. And let's say, like previously, x is equal to 100. Our sprite will need to travel 100, turn 90 degrees to the right, travel 100, turn 90 degrees, travel 100, turn 90 degrees, and turn 90 degrees. Now, what is a 90-degree angle? If you want your sprite to turn right, it needs to travel 90 degrees. And if you want it to turn left, it needs to turn negative 90 degrees. This is a law that you should always remember throughout your coding experience. For example, if this circle is our sprite and this little green thing is the front of it, it is looking to the front right now. But when it turns 90 degrees, by the way, this is a symbol that indicates that it's turning 90 degrees, it'll now face to the right. And this little yellow semicircle is where it's facing right now. So what we need to do on our program is we need to make it move 100 to the right. We need to make it 100. We need to make it turn 90 degrees. We need to make it move 100. We need to make it turn 90 degrees. We need to make it move 100. We need to make it turn 90 degrees. And we need to make it move 100 and turn 90 degrees. So, firstly, I've already coded this. This is the program. And I know, oh my god, it is so challenging and it's so long. But it's really simple. For example, if I just remove these wait 1 second blocks, this is the main chunk of our program. As you see, it's moving 100, turning 90. It is moving 100 and it's turning 90. It is moving 100 and it's turning 90. And from here, from this point, it went 100 and it's turning 90 and to going 100 and it's turning 90 again. So right now our sprite is here. And once again, it's moving 100 and turning 90 and moving 100 and turning 90. So it's going this way and it's turning 90 and it's going this way and it's turning 90. Now, so that's just how our program works. It's moving 100 steps and then it's turning to the right. It's moving 100 steps. It's turning to the right. It's moving 100 steps. It's turning to the right. And it's moving 100 steps and it's turning to the right. Now, let's run this and see how this works. By the way, this is what we call an event block. When this little flag is clicked, the program will start running. Wait a minute. It's not working. Or is it working? When we wrote our program, we're not giving our sprite any specific speed to move at. So it's just moving really, really fast, so fast that we can't even see it. So that's why I include these little blocks that say wait 1 second. This is what we call a control block. So I just drag it after every step. So it'll move forward, it'll wait, it'll turn, it'll wait, it'll move forward, it'll wait, and then it'll turn, and then it'll wait, and so on and so forth. Let's run it. See, it's waiting. And just like that, it's moving, turning 90, moving forward, turning 90. Let's see that one more time. It's moving forward, turning 90, moving forward, turning 90, moving forward, turning 90, moving forward, and turning 90. And that's how our program works. And since the stop button is faded out, we know that our program has finished running. And that's how you run your first program. And now, you may notice something. We're just repeating the same step over and over and over again. We can actually make this program much shorter. But that's a topic for our next video. And until then, if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments down below and we'll try to answer them. And until then, thank you and happy coding!